Okay, welcome back to the next video. I'm going to do a product review today. I'm doing this today on my washing machine. This is the Dr. Beckman's Service It Deep Clean. I'm going to do a review on this. I've used this many a times and it works wonders. But what I do tend to do is, because if you use fabric conditioner in every wash, I think it's best to put it on a drum clean with a tiny bit of powder in, which I'm doing at the moment because I'm doing this today. Because the softener makes all the water go a bit funny, and then this doesn't really work, so we need to get rid of all the softener by putting it on the drum clean with a tiny bit of powder in, and then we'll do this, which I'm doing after this 2.5 hour wash. So this is the original Dr. Beckmann Service It Deep Clean washing machine cleaner. As you can see, I don't know if you can see on camera there's a picture. I hope it's not back to front. If it is, I'll reverse the footage. So yeah, that's how you can pause the video or something if you want to read that. So yeah, the directions to use this product. You pour all the deep clean powder directly into the empty washing machine drum. Do not fill washing machine with laundry, which is very important. Do not fill it with laundry. You select a main wash at a minimum 60 degrees and 60 minutes without a pre-wash cycle or additional detergent and start the machine. So what I'd recommend you do, I know it says a minimum of 60 degrees, put it on the hottest cottons wash on Fast Plus or something, which I'm going to do on Beckmann. So, and then one treatment leaves machine hygienically clean and fresh. After cleaning, the washing machine is ready to use. So obviously you use this every 2 months or after 30 cycles to remove unpleasant odours to keep your washing machine hygienically clean and fresh. So obviously if you're a family of 5, I'd do that once a month. Or if you're washing on low temperatures, yeah, I do this more regular, do you know, like if you're saving a bit of money. So if you're using 30-degree washes all the time, definitely use this like every month. I know I'm using 60-degree cycles now quite a lot on quick wash, so it can heat up a bit to like a 45-degree wash, because when you set it to 40 it only heats up to about 30, because it's not got that time. But on like a dark I tend to use, so this does eliminate odours. There are many of products like this out there, and what I tend to find with one of these is that it doesn't foam up as much, which is good, because then the foam doesn't come out the bloody drawer. So yeah, I'm quite happy with this. And also it also does say once you've done this to wash your hands after it. So I am monetized as well on YouTube, so hopefully I might get a sponsorship of these products. So they also recommend using Service It Cleaner to prevent malfunctions. So I don't know what I've never seen that in the shops. I don't know if you can see it. I'll show it in camera. Don't know if you can see that bottle. I don't know whether you use that in every cycle or it's on an occasional wash, because I know what do you call it, Calgon, you put that in every wash, don't you? Washing machines live longer with Calgon. So this does remove 99.99% bacteria, fungal and viruses. So yeah, I do enjoy it. I have used this many times, Service It Deep Clean. I do recommend you get it. You can buy this in like your local Tesco, Asda, Morrison's, and they do have a few other products, and also Amazon, but you can get it cheap in the supermarkets on Amazon. So yeah, you do put all of this in. I know it says one treatment, so obviously I know in products I've used before, you've had like 2 doses out of it by putting half in, but Dr. Beckman's I do recommend you get. So yeah, I'm gonna do this today, and I'm looking forward to doing it, because my washing machine and clothes are coming out a bit smelly recently, I don't know why. So I'm gonna give this a try to see if it will improve the maintenance of wash as well. So yeah, thanks for watching this video. If you got value out of this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Dr. Beckman's Service It Deep Clean. If you want to try this out, I'll put a link in the description down below as well, where you can get it from Amazon and that, and Tesco, if I can manage to do that. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video.